Second. Okay, it's nice to see you guys again tonight. I believe I found you guys in a good condition, happy and full, and also ready to learn together with the rest of the classmates. Okay, so without any further ado, allow me to share the material that we're going to discuss tonight. Okay, right. Go. Today, continuing chapter 22, talking about a book, okay, a popular author, which is John Grisham, and then his book, happening between Lisa and Jackie, all right? So, for the role play, I need 8 volunteers. Meanwhile, let's review some of the words. Okay, please pay attention, that way you guys can pronounce it correctly. All right. Okay, and let's check on Jackie number 1. Okay, the words are psychology, and since, author. Okay, on Lisa number 2. Move on to Jackie number 2 is legal instead of legal. Okay, legal is in bahasa and then legal is in English. Okay, both are spelling the same, pronounced differently. And then the other one is easy to read. Okay, this is a simple verb. Okay, simple verb. Okay, so it's not to read. Okay, this is to read. Okay, move on to Lisa number 3. Words are favorite, novel, okay, instead of novel, okay, it's novel, and then an 11-year-old, okay, no S, okay, and then interesting, and then here, check it out, we have the word have you read, okay, since this is a past participle, okay, with the have, so the read is going to pronounce that as read. Okay, different from Jackie number 2. There isn't any word have on this sentence here. Look, his books are very easy to read. There is no have. Okay, different from Lisa here. Have, there isn't have. Okay, have you read? Okay, so pay attention. Jadi saat kata read itu diawali atau diikuti oleh ada kata have dalam yang mengikuti kata read ini dibaca sebagai read, sebagai past participle. Oke, bila tidak ada kata read, tidak ada kata have or has or had, then bacanya itu read, especially when there is a to. Ada kata to read. There is no to read. Okay, so pay attention to that. And then move on to Jackie number 3. On Jackie number 3, the word is written. Written. Okay. Then on Jackie number 4, the word is emphasis. Emphasis instead of emphasize. Emphasize is the verb. This is emphasis is the noun. Okay, kata benda here. Okay, and the other one is college. College. Okay. And then move on to Lisa number 6. Another word read. Jadi kata read ini butuh butuh perhatian yang lebih saat membaca, saat melihat kalimatnya. Apakah kalimatnya itu present tense, and then past tense, atau past participle, okay, atau present participle. Okay. Nah, kalau saat dia present tense, when it's present tense, then you can see here on Jackie number 2. To read, that's present tense, simple tense there. Simple verb. Present tense, you use the simple verb. Menggunakan untuk kalimat grammar yang menggunakan present tense, kata kerja read-nya di sini adalah kata kerja simple. Yang sederhana, yang verb nomor 1. Kemudian, bila menggunakan ada kata have, had, has, kata kerja read ini yang digunakan adalah past participle verb nomor 3. Okay, and then right here on Lisa number 6, another word read. Okay, this right here is a past tense. Okay, so the past tense of read is read. Read, read, read. Okay, nah mungkin kalimat kata read ini a little bit confusing because the spelling is the same, but the pronunciation is totally different, depends on the tenses of the grammar of the sentence. Okay, jadi pengucapannya itu, pelafalannya tergantung dari bentuk tenses yang digunakan dalam kalimat tersebut. Oke. Nah, kalau yang di Lisa nomor 6 ini adalah past tense karena diikuti oleh kalimat berikutnya yang menggunakan past tense. Dalam kalimat tersebut ada dua kali dalam kalimat the main sentence consists of 2 sub-sentences, okay? So both of them has to be the same tenses, okay? So here, well, I read his first book and I found it very interesting. Oke, nah ini pun kalau dipikir, dinalar itu pun make sense, oke, like this, oke. Jadi dia harus membaca terdahulu. Lisa harus membaca dulu, kemudian baru dia bisa memberikan penilaian bahwa bukunya itu ternyata menarik. Okay? Jadi, which one is gonna happen first? Of course, she has to read first, and the second one, then she can find it interesting. So this is obvious that the read here is a past tense. Okay, so I read. Okay, remember that. Move on to Jackie number 6. The other word is has written. Okay, now this is has. This is written. That's the past participle. Okay, and then since this is write, wrote, written. Okay, past participle verb nomor 3 karena ada kata has. Alright. So move on to Jackie number 7. The word is legal system instead of legal system. Okay, remember legal. Move on to Jackie number 8. The words are novels. Novels. Try to pronounce it after me. Okay, guys. Novels. Then psychology. Psychology. The other one is expertise. 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 Okay. Here is a noun. Okay. And then move on to Lisa number 9. The word is creative. Creative. Okay. Okay, that's it. The rest you guys already got it correctly. So let's do the role play. So I need 8 volunteers. You may raise your hands. I assign the dialogue parts to you guys. All right, there you go. Okay, I see Shirley. I have you taking care of Lisa number 1 until number 3. And then Mr. Amin is doing Jackie number 1 and 2. And then move on to Nani. I'll have you taking care of Lisa number 4 until number 6. And then Miss Lily is doing Lisa number 7 and 8. And then Peter is taking care of Jackie number 3 and 4. And Miss Fu is taking care of Jackie number 5 until 7. And then Danny is taking care of Lisa number 9 until 11. Okay, I still have one spot. One spot's available. Okay. All right, let's check it out. Let's wait 2 minutes for the rest of the class to get themselves settled down and then raise their hands. Okay, not just one per person. Okay. All right. So meanwhile, you have any question, you may raise your hand. Sorry. Chat. Okay. Write your question on the chat box and then we'll try to discuss it. Okay. All right. So maybe what do you call Miss Fanny. Miss Fanny having problems since raising her hands, huh? Okay. Let me see if okay, Miss Fanny, if you wanna be part on the role play, you may chat say yes, and then I'll okay, let me see. Because her new phone having problem, I guess. Okay, I repeat again, okay, the parts for you guys. Okay, meanwhile, waiting for Miss Fanny response. Okay, okay, so Lisa number 1 until number 3 taken care by Shirley, and then Jackie number 1 until number 2 is done by Mr. Amin. Nani is taking care of Lisa number 4 until number 6. Peter is doing Jackie number 3 and 4. Miss Lily is doing Lisa number 7 and 8. Miss Fu is taking care of Jackie number 5 until 7. Danny is taking care of Lisa number 9 until 11. And then, let me see. Okay. Miss Fanny is taking care of Jackie number 8 until number 10. Okay. All right, guys. Now allow me to unmute you guys. As always, the least background sound will be really helpful to the rest of the class, made to also learn with you guys, okay? All right, let's check it out. All right, there you go.
Hello, Miss.
Hi, Shirley. How was
How are
work
you?
today?
Good.
Very
Good
great.
Happy
evening, Miss
day.
Susan.
Nice to hear your voice, guys.
Good evening, Miss.
Good evening, Miss Penny. Are you still having problem raising hands?
Yes.
I don't know. I was like all of a sudden like, oh, okay. I think I should look for Miss
Hello,
Penny because
Miss.
hi, because she's always raising hands. Wow. Okay.
Evening,
Just
Miss.
good evening, Miss Lily. Okay, guys.
Good evening, Miss Susan.
Hi, Mr. Amin.
Yes,
Okay, very good. Now,
correct.
times is yours, guys. We may start with Shirley.
Okay. Hey, Jackie. How are you doing today?
Amin. Esther, Amin, are you here?
Okay, I'm good. I just got out of my psychology. It was so boring. I'm glad I am done for the day. How are you doing? Did you just get out of class too?
Lisa. Lisa is here. Shirley. Oh, maybe we lost our connection. Something with Shirley's internet connection. Is Shirley still here? Oh, no. Shirley, are you still here?
I'm here, Miss.
Okay, your turn. Lisa number 2. All right, Lisa number 2, Shirley. Oh no. Let me try again, guys. No. Okay. Can you hear me, Shirley? Can you hear me, Shirley? No, I think her internet connection, guys. Okay. Can you hear me, Shirley? All right. Something is wrong with her connection. Shirley, are you here? Okay. Are you here, Shirley? Okay, Mr. Amin, can you hear
I'm here.
Shirley? Oh, okay,
Yes.
Shirley. Now,
I'm
Lisa
here,
number 2.
Miss.
Your turn.
Okay. Lisa number 2, right?
Yes.
Okay. No, I have been out of class since early this afternoon, and I have been reading this new book I just bought. Have you ever heard of the author John Grisham?
Yeah, John Grisham is a lawyer who has written a lot of books based on his knowledge and experience with the legal system like the crime. His books are very easy to read and they give a lot of information on how the legal system works.
Yeah, The Client is one of my favorite books. I love Mark Twain and Reggie Love, the two main characters of the novel. For an 11 years old kid, Mark is old beyond his years and so streetwise. John Grisham's special sense of humor has made his character very entertaining and the book much more interesting to read. Have you read The Chamber?
Nani? No, Peter. Jackie number 3 is Peter. Oh,
The
Peter.
Chamber is pretty good book too. The story about a grandson who tried to save the grandfather he has never really known gave me an insight on how the the legal system works in the case of capital punishment. The story was somber, but it was written in a more serious tone.
Young Grisham really knows how to adapt his writing style to his situation. That is probably one of the reasons of his success.
John Grisham's success is an example of the importance of education, even though even though his parents were poor and did not have a decent education. His mother put a lot of emphasis on his education and pushed him to go to college.
I have to agree with you on that. Education is one of the best tools to achieve success in life. That is the reason why we are still in school, right?
Right. But why the sudden interest in John Grisham, Lisa?
Well, I read his first book and I found it very interesting. So I keep on reading his books. I already have a collection of all his work.
He has written at least 20 books. Did you read all of them? Did you have that much free time?
Slowly.
No, I only read his legal fiction books. I have not touched any of his non-legal fiction or his non-fiction books.
I see that you are very interested in learning about the legal system.
Yes, very much. I find it fascinating, however, not enough to change my major from psychology to law yet.
You should follow John Grisham's example. He is a lawyer and he writes novels about the legal system. You can finish your studies in psychology and then write novels based on your expertise in psychology.
Dani. Who's Dani?
That is good idea. However, do you think I am creative enough to be able to weave all sorts of stories like John Grisham? That would require a lot of talent, and I do not know whether I have it in me.
Never know unless you try. Anyways, people say where there is a will, there is a way, right?
And there is also writer's block. That moment when you sit in front of the computer, ready to put your story in writing, and yet your mind is completely blank. You keep on trying, and nothing comes. I mean, absolutely nothing.
Till you never know unless you try, Lisa. Oh, it is almost 3 o'clock. I need to run or I will miss the bus. See you later, Lisa.
Bye, Jackie. Talk to you later.
Very good. Okay, guys. Thank you for paying extra attention on the word read. Okay, I can tell that some of you guys already okay. Like stop for like a second and then oh okay, this is our I write it. I should pronounce that as read or read. So Today you guys all got all the pronunciation of the word read and read correctly, guys. Okay, very good. Big applause to you guys. Okay. So let's check it out. On some of the words here. Okay, let's move on to Jackie number 3. Jackie number 3. Okay. Right here we have the word capital. Okay, the case of capital, punishment. Okay. Okay, let's see. Okay, capital. Terkait dengan hukuman yang berhubungan dengan now let's see. The story about a grandson who tried to save the grandfather he has never really known gave me an insight on how the legal system works in the case of capital punishment. Bagaimana jadi cerita Chamber ini, buku Chamber ini terkait dengan menceritakan bagaimana seorang cucu laki-laki yang berusaha untuk menyelamatkan kakek yang tidak pernah dia kenal. Yang tidak pernah dia tahu sebelumnya. Nah, cerita ini memberikan Jackie itu suatu insight, itu suatu pembelajaran ya segitu. Bagaimana sih sistem legalitas di Amerika itu terkait dengan kasus hukuman, dengan hukumannya itu bagaimana sih, Nah, itu kira-kira, and then move on to number, the word is capital, so this is a capital punishment, and then we have in the accounting we have the capital in the accounting, that's mean the money that you put it in a company, and then we have the capital city, so it depends on the sentence how it's the meaning of it, capital city, that's ibu kota, yeah, and then let's check on the next one, Lisa number 6, see Lisa number 6, the word is found, and I found it instead of I found, it's find, the word, this is the past tense of find, found, find, found it, I found it, and then move on to number 7, Lisa number 7, touch, I have not touched, touch, this is the past participle of touch, touch, she touches the fire, so this is the past participle, the regular past participle, that's why with the ed, touch, touched, touched, I have not touched any of his legal fiction or his non-fiction books, maksudnya saya belum pernah membaca, kira-kira begitu, saya belum pernah membaca, dalam kalimat ini terkait dengan buku, jadi kita bukan touch memegang begitu ya, jadi terkait dengan membaca, maknanya membaca, and then let's check on Lisa number 8. Lisa number 8. The word is law. Law. Law hukum ya, dalam jurusan hukum. Bisa hukum, juga bisa juga berarti peraturan, ya tergantung dari konteks kalimatnya. Tapi dalam kalimat ini berarti jurusan hukum. Okay. However, not enough to change my major from psychology to law yet. Okay, and then move on to please Jackie number 8. All right, Jackie number 8. The word is legal system. Okay, legal system instead of legal system. I cannot recall. Okay, anyway, so this is legal system. Okay, the other one is psychology and expertise. No, expertise. Okay, it's psychology, expertise, and legal system. Move on to Lisa number 9. The word is creative. Do you think I am creative enough? No, kreatif. Kreatif dalam bahasa Indonesia ya. Kalau bahasa Inggris it's creative. Okay. And then the other one is require. Require. Membutuhkan. Okay. Do you think I'm creative enough to be able to weave all sorts of stories like John Grisham? That would require a lot of talent. Akan membutuhkan banyak talent, bakat ya, kira-kira gitu ya. Require. Alright, so let's check it out on Lisa number 9. Okay, Dani. All right, Dani, you may repeat after me. Okay, Lisa number 9. All right, Lisa number 9. The word is creative.
Creative.
Very good. Require.
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 Perfect. Okay, you may read the whole sentence again.
Okay. That is a good idea. However, do you think I am creative enough to be able to weave all sorts of stories like John Grisham? That would require a lot of talent, and I don't know whether I have it in me.
Okay, let's see. Do you think I am creative enough? You may repeat.
Do you think I am creative enough?
Very good. That would require a lot of talent.
That would require a lot of talent.
Very good. Okay, perfect. Okay, any question, Dani?
Miss, artinya apa ya, Miss? Jadinya.
Oh, oke. Oh, itu ide yang bagus. Oke, si Jackie di sini, on Jackie number 8, si give the, oke. Sorry, Jackie dalam Jackie nomor 8 ini dia memberikan ide bagaimana kalau nanti kalau kamu itu juga memberitahu ke Lisa ya, kamu bisa juga menulis novel yang terkait dengan psychology, oke? Seperti si Grisham ini, dia kan seorang pengacara, kemudian menulis novel yang terkait dengan sistem legalitas di negaranya, ya. Kemudian makanya si Jackie ini memberikan ide kepada Lisa, kamu kan belajarnya psikologi, nanti kamu bisa juga menulis novel yang terkait dengan keahlianmu dalam bidang psikologi. Oke. Nah, kemudian di Lisa yang nomor 9 ini, Lisa berkata, wah, ide yang bagus nih. Tapi apakah menurutmu aku ini cukup kreatif ya untuk membuat cerita-cerita seperti punyanya si John Grisham? Sepertinya memerlukan banyak bakat deh. Saya tidak tahu kalau apakah saya punya bakat seperti itu. Ya, gitu kira-kira recall the translation. Okay.
Okay, thank you,
Okay,
Miss.
got it. You're welcome.
Get it.
All right. Move on to Jackie number 8. All right, Jackie number 8. Okay. I'll have Miss Fanny repeat after me. Okay, Miss Fanny, repeat after me, please. Okay. Novels.
Novels.
Very good. Legal system.
Legal system.
Yes. Psychology.
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 Expertise.
Expertise.
Very good. Okay. Now you may read the whole sentence, please.
Maybe you should follow John Graham's example. He is a lawyer and he writes novels about the legal systems. You can finish your studies in psychology and then write novels based on your expertise in psychology.
Okay, now you may repeat. Okay. All right. He writes novels about the legal system.
Novels about the legal system.
Okay. You can finish your studies in psychology.
You can finish your studies in psychology.
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 It's psychology.
Psychology.
Very good, because this is after S there's a Y instead of I. Okay, it's a Y. So you can finish your studies in psychology.
You can finish your studies in psychology.
And then write novels based on your expertise in psychology. You may repeat. You still here, Miss Penny? All right, so cannot hear her. Okay, move on. Okay, to Lisa number 8. Okay, on Lisa number 8, we have the word law. Okay, law. Okay, Lisa number 8, law. Okay. Okay. All right, Lisa number 8, Miss Lily.
Yes, Miss.
Okay, the word is law.
Law.
No law, not the
Law.
yeah, law only. L-O, law.
Law.
No law. No law. If you say law, it's gonna be L-O-W, law rendah. This is law.
Too low.
No. This is not too low, okay? Low. Okay, the one you yeah. Okay, let me give you the different here, okay? So you can see, okay? This is low, too low, okay? Rendah, okay? This is low. This is low. Okay, so let's try here, okay? However, not enough to change my major from psychology to law yet. Okay, you may repeat.
However, not enough to change my major from psychology to law yet.
Okay, so this is law.
Law.
No law. Okay, so let me see how to law. Just like this, I think in Indonesia. Okay, I have you
Law yet.
law, but no LO law. Kalau bahasa Indonesia, kalau kita LO bacanya law ya. Tapi ini law. Jadi O-nya beda. O bukan
Law.
O. Law.
Law.
Ah, there you go. Law.
Law.
Yes, perfect.
Psychology to law yet.
Yes, law. Jadi nggak ada U ya. Law, L-O, law. Okay, like that. And hold on, Miss Lily, another one on Jackie, on Lisa
Lisa.
number 7. The other word is touched.
Touch.
Touched. Yes, touch. Okay, this is the past participle or the past tense same, okay? Touch, touched, okay, with the ed, okay? Touch. You may repeat.
Touch.
Touched.
Touch.
I have not touched any.
I have not touched
Okay.
any of his not legal fiction or his non-fiction books.
Very good. Okay, any question, Miss Lily?
No, Miss. Thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. All right, move on to Lisa number 6. The word is found. Okay, I'll have Nani repeat after me, please.
Yes, Miss.
Lisa number 6, the word is found.
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 Yes, okay. Now you may repeat the whole sentence.
Well, I read his first book and I found it very interesting. So I keep on reading his books. I already have a collection of all his work.
Okay, now here, this word here is so I kept. Okay, kept here is the past tense of keep. Keep, kept. Okay, so, okay, you may repeat after me, okay? Well, I read his first book and I found it very interesting. So I kept on reading his books. Okay, you may repeat.
Well, I read his first book and I found it very interesting. So I kept on reading his books.
Very good. Okay, any question, Annie?
No, thank you, Miss.
You're welcome. Okay, perfect. Now, the last one on Jackie number 3. Okay, the word is capital. Okay, Peter. All right, Peter, you may repeat after me. Capital.
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 Capital. Capital.
Capital.
Capital.
Oke, jadi yang T-A-L itu seperti dibacanya seperti kalau bahasa Indonesia T-E-L, capital.
Capital. Capital.
No, not tell like that. Capital.
Capital.
Yes, that the first one was all right. Okay, I said capital.
Capital.
Yes, almost there. Okay, you just keep on repeating it. Okay, you're almost there. Okay, you have any question, Peter?
No, Miss. Thank you.
Oh, okay. Anyway, Peter, let's similar to your name. Okay, your name is pronounced is English name. It's gonna be the E. It's gonna be like Peter, not the E before R. Okay, Peter. Okay, capital like that. Okay.
Capital.
Yes, there you go. Okay. All right, perfect. Thank you. Okay. So that's the end of the pronunciation correction. Okay, guys. So let's move on to the expression already done. Okay, on the previous meeting. Okay. Now let's move on to this question and answer practicing. Okay. All right. So we have this here 11 question and 11 answers. Okay. So let's do this. Okay. All right, so let me see first. Let's see. Okay. So this is okay. So I'm gonna have what do you call? Okay, so let me check. Okay, give me a second. Okay, so I'll have Jane. You are doing all the answers. Okay, you're doing answer number 1 until 11. Okay. Meanwhile, I'll have Dani. You are doing question number 1 until number 6. Okay, Dan is doing question number 1 until number 6. And then I'll have Miss Fu doing question number 7 until 11. Okay. Miss Fu doing question number 6 until 11. Okay, and Dani is doing question number 1 until number 6. Okay, and then, okay, let me see Miss Fu here.
I am
Okay,
here.
perfect. Okay, you got it. Okay, and then Jen, you may do the answer from 1 to 11. Okay, time is yours, guys.
For what
Yes.
what kind of number?
Okay, answers number 1 until 11.
Okay.
Okay, got it, guys. We may start with Miss Fu, huh? Was it Miss Fu or Dani?
Saya, Miss.
Okay, there you go.
Jadi baca dulu ya questionnya.
Yes, only question, one question, and then Jane will answer, and then another question and answer like that, just like the role play earlier.
Okay. What kind of book is it?
It's not a non-fiction book about last year's tsunami.
Is John Rickerson the author of the book?
No, this one was written by Charles Langson.
Is it one of the bestseller books of the year?
Yes, it's one of them.
Who is the publisher?
It was published by Prentice Hall.
What is the story about?
It's the story of a family who has gone through and survived the tsunami physically and mentally.
Do they have a lot of books on the tsunami?
Quite a few books were written on this subject. However, I do not remember their titles.
When did the book come out?
It was
hold
put
on.
into
Number 6. Oh, yeah, you got it. Okay, sorry. Yeah, go ahead. Okay. Miss Fu?
When did the book come out?
It was put into circulation in March.
Do they offer both hardcover and paperback edition?
Yes, it came out in hardcover and paperback. The hardcover edition is much more expensive though.
Didn't they make a movie out of this book?
I do not think so since it just came out.
Did somebody recommend this book to you?
It is a book required for my sociology class.
How much did it cost?
I booked a paperback, so it did not cost too much.
Okay, thank you guys. All right, so only one here on question number 2 is John Richardson. Okay, so okay, Dani. Okay, this is the name of the person. It is John Richardson, the author of the book. You may
No.
repeat.
Okay. Is John Richardson
Richardson.
Richard? Sorry,
Son.
gimana?
Richardson.
Richardson.
Yes. You may repeat again.
Is John Richardson the author of the book?
Okay, very good. So right here, actually, this the last name is Richardson. Okay, so Richardson. Okay, give me 1 second.
Richardson.
Richardson. Okay, this is actually consists of 2 words. Okay, the first one is Richard. Okay, if the by itself is gonna be Richard. Okay,
Yeah.
1 second. Okay, okay. Okay, the other one is is by itself is you're gonna read that as sun. Okay, but since this is combined into 2, so we pronounce that as Richardson.
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 Yes, Richard. Okay, Richard. The first one is Richardson.
Richardson.
Fair, perfect. Okay, got it. Okay, very good. Okay, and then Jane pronounced everything perfectly done. Okay. Now move on to comprehension test, guys. Okay. How much you understand the conversation that's happening, okay, between you guys, okay, the role play that did you guys pay attention to the sentences that your classmates saying, anything like that, okay? So this is the part that's gonna be tested, okay? So number 8. What was Jackie doing before she meets Lisa? Okay, what was she doing? Okay, all right, so who wants to answer? Okay, what was Jackie doing before she meets Lisa? Apa yang sedang dilakukan? Apa yang dilakukan oleh Jackie sebelum dia itu bertemu dengan Lisa? Okay, let's have Mr. Amin.
What was Jackie doing before she meet Lisa? Apa yang dia lakukan sebelum ketemu Lisa?
Betul.
Oke. Ya,
Okay.
dia selesai kuliah, berarti he just got out psychology lecture.
Okay, so answer. Okay, give me 1
He
second.
just got out his psychology lecture. Dia selesai kuliah psikologi ya, artinya ya.
Okay, yeah, betul. Okay, so Jackie was
got out.
Okay, since we use the was, so the verb has to be with the ing. She was
just got out there, baru selesai kuliah.
Okay, let's see. Okay.
It was just psychology lecture.
Okay. Okay, hold on. Okay, slow down. Okay, look at this. Okay, so the question is, what was Jackie doing? Okay, so this is a past continuous tense.
Past continuous tense.
Okay. So look at this. So the verb has to be plus ing. Okay. So Jackie was just.
Jackie was just got out.
Okay, hold on. Okay. Now if on the let's go check on the conversation, the dialogue, that exactly what she said on that. Okay. So the whole classroom can see it. Okay, look at this. Okay, so Jackie say like this. I just got out. I just got out. Okay, so this is a past tense here. Okay, there is no ink, right?
Yes.
So what is the verb in this sentence? I just got out of my psychology lecture. Saya baru keluar dari kuliah psikologi ya.
Psychology.
So the past tense, the verb is, kata kerjanya apa di sini ya?
Got out ya.
Yes,
Barusan selesai.
okay. Yes, so got out, okay. Now got out, that's a past tense, right? Now here,
Yes.
meanwhile, on the sentence, on the question here, they require you to, the question is in a past continuous tense, okay? Continuous tense here. So when we answer with the continuous tense, okay, look at this. What was blah 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 Jackie doing? Okay, what was Jackie doing? So okay, so we have to say Jackie
was just got out. No, got.
Remember on the dialogue there is no was. Yes.
It was just gotting ya. Gotting out ya.
No gotting. Okay, what is the simple verb of the got?
Get out ya.
Yes, there you go. Okay.
Yes.
Jackie was just
get out.
Getting.
Oh,
with the
getting.
ink.
Oh, getting.
Yes.
Oh,
Getting
no.
out
Getting out
of psychology
lecture.
Psychology lecture.
Kuliah.
Yes.
Psychology.
Okay. Very good. So pay
Okay.
attention. Okay.
Oh, he was just getting out ya.
Yes, because
Yeah,
we use
okay.
was. If there is a was, then you have to use the
Getting
ing
out.
on the verb. All right.
Okay.
Very good,
Okay.
Mr. Amin.
Okay, Miss.
Okay, thank you. Okay, move on to number 2. How was Jackie's psychology class? Okay, bagaimana kelas psikologinya si Jackie? Okay, let's hear from Nani. Okay, how was Jackie's psychology's class?
How was Jackie's psychology class?
Okay, Jackie's
psychology class.
Psychology. Okay.
Psychology.
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 Psychology class. How was it? Okay, remember on the at the beginning. What did it say? Okay, there you go. Okay, check it out. I just got out my psychology class, psychology lecture on Jackie number 1. It was so boring. I'm glad I'm done for the day. How you doing? Did you get out of class too? Okay, got it, Nani? How was the class? Saya barusan saya barusan keluar dari kuliah psikologi. Kuliahnya sangat membosankan.
Was so boring.
Yes, okay, that's what it means. Okay, so let's check it out. So Jackie's psychology class was so boring. All right, very good. Thank you, Nani. Okay, move on to number 3. What has Lisa been doing since early afternoon? Apa yang dilakukan oleh Lisa sejak siang tadi? Let's hear from Miss Lily.
Okay, Miss. What has Lisa been doing since early afternoon.
Yes. Okay.
She
Let me-
has been
Ah.
out of the class since early this morning, and she has been reading this new book she just bought.
Okay, so our answer is what she's been doing since early afternoon. She has been
out of the class. Out of class since early this afternoon.
Okay.
And she has been reading this new book she just bought.
Oke, jadi intinya dia setelah keluar dari kelas
Dari
itu dia
kelasnya.
ngapain?
Dia baca buku.
Oke, there you
She
go.
has been
So
reading.
she has been
reading.
Okay, hold on. Okay, there you go. Okay, hold on. Let's try again here. So Lisa has been reading a
new book. She just bought.
Just bought. Very good. She just bought. Oke, jadi setelah dia keluar dia langsung baca gitu. Jadi ya, kira-kira. Oke, makasih. Oh, thank you, Miss Lily.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay. Move on to number D, guys. Okay. Who is John Grisham? Okay. Who is John Grisham? Okay, let's hear from Peter. Okay, Peter.
Yes, Miss.
Number D, please. Who is John Grisham?
Wait. John Grisham is a lawyer.
A lawyer. A lawyer.
Who has written a lot of books.
Okay. Okay, so here, right here. Who is John Grisham? John Grisham is a lawyer who writes a lot
of books.
Okay, who writes books about
the legal system.
Okay. Who write books Okay, so based on his knowledge and experience
with
experience with
legal system.
Very good. Okay, so we made a conclusion, okay, with the legal system. John Grisham itu adalah seorang pengacara yang menulis buku menulis buku tentang legal system berdasarkan atas pengalaman dan juga pengetahuannya. Okay, very good. Okay, give me a second. Okay. Here we go. System. Okay, perfect. Thank you, Peter.
You're welcome, Miss.
Okay, perfect. Just in time. Okay. Okay, give me 1 second. 16. Okay. There you go. Okay, so we're done until number D, guys. Okay, we continue the rest, okay, on the following meeting. Okay, guys. So try to answer the rest of the question on your own, okay, and then we'll discuss it on the following meeting. Okay, guys. So give me 1 second. Okay. All right, guys, I'll end the class tonight. Thank you for joining and learning together with the rest of the class. Okay. Till next week, you guys be safe, be happy, and then be grateful always. Okay. I'll see you guys again on the following meeting. Okay, guys.
Thank you, Miss.
Okay, thank you,
Miss.
guys. Have a
Miss.
great
You
week.
Good night,
next. Bye,
Miss.
Miss.